Yeah, well, being a mother to boys is so difficult. Why you guys always fighting? Can you just stay calm without your legs in the air? What the hell? Hey, careful on the girl. You guys are rough, man. This is... You guys, you are... Chukuricho. Chukuricho.
Bubbles.
Uchugo maricho richo. Huh? Uchugo marach. What?
I don't speak Kiswahili.
That's not Swahili, that's Luo. Luo is an international language.
International?
Yeah.
Am I international?
Yes, you are.
I will learn it.
Your mom
Next
is an
time.
international baby mama.
I will learn it next time. So what do you